सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to solve optional exercise in probability chapter. Let us see the question. This is the question. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Tuesday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day? Number 2, consecutive days, different days. So I will explain the question first. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, they are visiting particular shop in the same week, so Tuesday to Saturday. So we have to find the probability Shyam and Ekta visit the shop on the same day, consecutive day. Consecutive day means day after day by day, and different days. So we have to find the probability for these three situations. So let us discuss about this detailedly. See, Shyam and Ekta can visit the shop in the following. Yeah, you can see here. Suppose Shyam went Tuesday to the shop. So Ekta can visit on Tuesday only, or he can visit Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. If Ekta visit Tuesday, Shyam can visit Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday also. Yeah, next Wednesday. If Shyam went to shop on Wednesday and Ekta can visit Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. Okay, so here these are the possibilities. Okay, you can see here some more possibilities. Okay, these are the possibilities. Okay, so if he visits Tuesday, he may visit on these days. If he visit Shyam visit Wednesday, Ekta can visit these days in these days, or if Ekta visit Wednesday, Shyam can visit in these days. Okay, so similarly this is also okay. Here also he can we can make these are possibilities, right? Look at this once again. If Shyam visit on Saturday, Ekta can visit Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. Did you understand this concept? Yes, I hope you understand. Right. Let us write all the possible outcomes. Yeah, these are the possible outcomes here. Okay. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday, Tuesday, Saturday. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Saturday. Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Tuesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Saturday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, right. So now what are the possible outcomes? Total number of outcomes. So how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 into 5, 25 possible outcomes here. Total number of outcomes is 25. Okay, Let us get into question number 1. What is the question? Probability of the Shyam and Ekta can visit on the same day. The same day. So if you see here, what are the same days here? You look at here. Tuesday 1, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many favorable outcomes we have now? 5. Okay, look at here. Yeah, number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes to that of visiting on the same day. Yeah, we have 5 outcomes: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, both Shyam and Ekta can visit in these days at a time. Okay, right. Now what is the formula? Yeah, probability of visiting the shop on the same day is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes we have 5, total outcomes we have 25. So if it is a cancellation, 5 ones, 5 fives, it becomes 1 by 5. So the probability of visiting on the same day is 1 by 5. Okay, let us go to second question. Probability of consecutive days. Okay, so both Ekta and Shyam can visit consecutive days. We have to find the probability for that, right? If you see the figure again, or these possibilities, see here, consecutive day means day by day, all okay, day by day. So look at here, Tuesday and Wednesday, okay, and Wednesday Tuesday, as well as Wednesday Thursday and Thursday Friday. So Friday Saturday, Saturday Friday, all these are consecutive days. Okay, if I tell you write consecutive numbers, yeah, 1 2 3 are the consecutive numbers. Likewise, what are the consecutive days? Tuesday and Wednesday are consecutive days. Thursday and Friday also consecutive days. We can write many days like that. So we shall see first favorable outcomes, right? Yeah, number of outcomes favorable to consecutive days. You can see here from the above figures, we can write Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday are consecutive days, as well as Wednesday Tuesday, Thursday Wednesday, Friday Thursday, Saturday Friday also consecutive days. How many favorable outcomes we have now? Total 8. What is the formula to find the probability? Yeah, you can see here, probability of visiting the shop on the consecutive days is equals to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Already we know that. So favorable outcomes we have 8, total number of outcomes 25. So 8 by 25 is the probability. Okay, for what? Visiting consecutive days. Okay, this completes the second one. So let's go for bit number 3 in first question. Yeah, in third bit we have to find the probability of different days. Okay, right. If P of E is the probability of visiting the shop on the same day, yeah, we solve this in the first problem, first bit. So P of E is the probability of visiting on the shop on the same day. So different days is complementary to same days, isn't it? See, then P of E bar is the probability of visiting the shop not on the same day. Okay, if E is on the same day, E bar is different days. Nothing but not same day, isn't it? E is same day, E bar is different days. Okay, right here. So P of E bar is the probability of visiting the shop on different days. So such that we have P of E plus P of E bar is equals to one formula. P of E we have 1 by 5 from first bit, that is from 1 we have P of E is equals to 1 by 5 because the probability of same day is 1 by 5. If we substitute the value, we get 1 by 5 plus P of E bar is equals to 1. So P of E bar is equals to 1 minus 1 by 5, and take the cross multiplication, 5 minus 1 by 5, that becomes 4 by 5. So the different days probability is 4 by 5. Okay, yes, I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.